Hi, I'm Sylvia Melendez-Klinger. I'm a registered dietitian. Today I want to speak to you about the importance of enriched grains. Most recently, the dietary guidelines recommended that still half of our grains should come from enriched grains and the other half from whole grains. So out of the 6 servings, 3 should come from enriched and 3 servings should come from whole grains. And this is why, and it's because enriched grains contain essential vitamins such as the folic acid, which most Americans now consume these B vitamins and folic acid from enriched grains because you find them twice as more in enriched grains than whole grains. For Hispanic women, this becomes a more challenge because Hispanic women have more incidence of neural tubal defects than non-Hispanic, and also they have lower levels of folic acid in their blood. So it is important that we help them boost their nutrition with foods that are rich in folic acid, which are the enriched grains such as pretzels, breads, rice especially. 70% of rice is enriched with folic acid. So it's important that we help them realize what foods contain folic acid so they can prevent these neural tubal defects. Another thing is also to help them realize that younger women, especially Hispanic women, should start thinking about including folic acid rich foods into their diet, because especially once a woman is ready to have a baby, she should already have been taking folic acid rich foods for a long time to make sure she's not deficient, because most people don't even know they're pregnant up until maybe perhaps 3 months into the pregnancy. And neural tubal defects reflect and are established early in their pregnancy within the first weeks. I want to emphasize that Hispanic women need to be more aware of the importance of including enriched grains in their diet. Thank you.